Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Rocket Mozzafiato espresso machine. And this machine was intermittently not turning on, and this was because the solid state relay was bad. Here you can see the old one. And it now has a new one on it. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. You can see we have just over 8 bars of pressure, and the boiler is at 1 bar of pressure, the steam boiler. Let's just go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.